Hey everyone, I'm Sylvolf and today we're going to be looking at all Primark Furby stuff that Primark released in some of their stores. I say some, not all. Unfortunately, they didn't have it in any of my local stores. So my friend Bella from Cardiff, hi Bella if you're watching, picked some up for me and I paid her back, and then she handed it over to me at Hyper Japan. So this is all because of Bella, so thanks Bella. The only thing that she didn't get that I managed to find online to complete the collection was this little keyring with a little floaty Furby in it. I'm also missing the blind boxes. They did release blind boxes, but I couldn't find them online or anything. So this is the entire collection, just minus the blind boxes. They had tiny Furby plushies in them. So yeah, I'd like to say this is pretty much all of the collection anyway. Like I said, it's only missing those. I don't know how many different Furbies that they released in the blind boxes, so I can't say exactly how many of those I could have got, but I would only have got one anyway. So this is, like I said, this is pretty much all the collection that Primark released. So we'll start first with this Furby backpack, and on the front you can see it's got a lovely little plushy Furby. If I can get it in the picture, which I can't. Move it back there. It's got like fluffy ears and everything and an embroidered face, and if we turn it around it's got a few things in it, some stationery. So what it's got inside is Furby like sticky notes. It's got some pencils, and let's get them out actually. I'll take this off. I'm going to take all the tags off these anyway. So take that off. And this, so it doesn't break the zipper. Okay, so actually, you know what? This backpack's probably quite useful for storing all of the Furby stuff in. So the stuff inside it comes in like on a card, backed onto a card there, which gives it some stability, and it's also got this little box here. It's empty, there's nothing inside it, so I'll put that in the bin. And it's also got Furby written on the back there. I don't know if you can see. No, because the backpack's the wrong kind of shape for the camera, but there you go. Pop that one back there. So these are all bits and pieces. It's basically a stationery set. So you've got like a book, there's some pencils there, there's a pencil sharpener, there's little stickers and some post-it notes. So I'll just open these up, because this is, if you like, an unboxing. I've not really had a proper look at any of these things since I got them. I just kind of stuck them on the floor, tried to find the rest of the collection, which I managed, like I said, I managed to find one of the bits for, and left it at that. So we've got a pencil sharpener, just your normal little plasticky pencil sharpener. I find the plastic ones, this bit always goes, and once that's gone it doesn't sharpen your pencils very well anymore, but the metal one's more expensive. We've got these little pencils here, which are like the sort of stuff you may have had as a kid with Furby on them. They are both just normal lead pencils. Here are the post-it notes. They're all in, actually, you know what, they're not post-it notes, they're erasers. They're Furby erasers. Okay, well that's cool. I used to collect erasers when I was a kid. We're finding out all sorts of surprises here. And the, get these bits out. So we've got some stickers, a little sheet of stickers. They're all very retro Furbies from the 90s. And the notebook, and inside the notebook, what is it? Plain. Oh, it's lined. I find as an artist I prefer plain ones. You can draw on lined ones. I've often drawn on lined ones, but with a lot of these notepads and stuff they have lines in, which is a little annoying. It's got the date on the back as well, 2025. Now I've got the ring light today because it's kind of dark and I keep knocking it, so if the camera moves, that's why, because I've knocked the ring light, because I've got to reach around the ring light to actually get to all of these things. Anyway, we'll put those back there. Okay, next up we've got this. It's a little Furby diary. It's made of kind of like a squishy soft material with foam inside. It's kind of, again, like the sort of thing if you're growing up in the 90s you would have had as a kid. I don't know if these things are offered now. A5 notebook. It's got a massive sticker on the back that I've no doubt is not peelable, and it costs £5. So this is magnetic. Open it up, and it's got a Furby one side with some sort of like a little plain square there. I don't think there's anything on the other side now. and then the other side is lined, and it's the same throughout. And then there's the pink side as well. And again, this is exactly like something I would have had as a kid. I remember my parents bought me this like mermaid secret diary thing. It had a lock on it, and that had the different colour pages in it too. So that's the little notebook. Let's move that book to one side. Oh, what shall we have next? There's so many exciting things. Let's do these ones next. These are Furby pens. 4-pack of Furby pens. Take one of them out, and they'll all be the same anyway, so I'm just showing you this one. So it's got like a little soft grip on it, which is nice. Is it twist one? Is it twist one? No? Oh right, okay, so the whole thing just presses in like that. So Furby pens, again 2025 it's got on it, and they're all different. You've got some with Furbies on, and you've got some with just the writing on it, so that's those. This one here, so this is like, it's very sparkly. It's like an organizer with the clips there, so you can take the pages out theoretically and replace them if you wish. Again, it's got another massive sticker on the back that probably doesn't peel off, and inside it we got, oh, it's the same note paper as the notebook, except it's in reverse. So you've got a lined page that side, and then if you go all the way down here, you've got it in pink as well. You could, I suppose, colour the Furby. You could like do different designs and colour it different on each page if you've got the time and the patience. Just a bit of card at the back. It's a little sort of a charm thing. And it's got, in the back of it, it's like a little pencil case with more stickers, pencils. This time it's got a ruler, there's an eraser and a pencil sharpener, and it's got one of these here. I can reach around the ring light, pick something out. So, yeah. So the ruler is the only different thing that that's got. But it's cool that it's got like a little bit where you can store your pens and stuff for when you want to write in it. I like that. It's a neat idea. And of course the charm does hang in the corner here, so you can have it out if you wish as well, although it might kind of catch on things. We have yet another notebook here. This one is a ring bound one. It's a Furby, and it's sort of fluffy, and it's got eyes that open and close. And they don't open and close in time, depending on how you move it in the light. It's got Furby embroidered on it, and it's just a little notebook. It's the same throughout. It's got like a little plastic thing here. I'll take that off. Obviously held it together. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we've got this. It's a coin purse. A similar design to the bag, little embroidered face. Says Furby stationery set. Oh, you know what? Huh. Okay, I'm going to have to take this tag off it, but it says Furby stationery set, and yet I don't see any stationery, but I've got a funny feeling, because you can't open them until you take these tags off. I've got a funny feeling that it's got a tiny stationery set inside. That's cool. Little stickers, little notebook. Is it plain lined? Oh, it's like a miniature one without the little Furby picture of the others. That's cute. And the pen, little gel pen. That's a good idea. I like that. I didn't know it was a stationery set. I thought it was just like a little Furby purse. It's making me feel quite nostalgic, because I used to have stuff like this when I was a kid, and you know, you grow up and you don't sort of bother with it anymore. But yeah, And yeah, I used to have loads. I would have adored these when I was a kid. Absolutely adored them. I mean, you know, they're very much fun now, but it's making me feel all kinds of nostalgic. So you've got it's a little notebooky thing again. It's a bit like the large organizer, but it's smaller. It's got 2 different key rings on it. And a little book inside. It's got a tiny Furby in the corner. Oh, it's got a little pink one that side and a little grey one that side. I like how detailed they are. It's like, it's not just plain paper. It's like they've put thought into it. And these do open by pressing things either side. So you could actually replace the pages if you use them all as well, which makes it reusable. And I like how it's sparkly. And then this one, which of course I got from eBay. I do like the design of the little Furby keyring with a little Furby floating inside. They didn't say it was from Primark, but I looked for Primark Furby, and obviously it is from the same thing, the label's the same. But yeah, thanks to the seller on eBay for this one, for helping me complete my collection. And it's got a little mane on the back. Again, has it got 2 different types? Yeah, it has. It's got a clip, or it's got this one there, which is slightly more secure. And it's also got a little rubber Furby tag on it as well. And finally, we've got this massive Furby plush. It's got a sparkly little heart gem there. It looks more like the new Furby than it does the old one. It's got kind of foam in its ears, little fluffy feet. It's quite soft. And it's just got hair on its head there. It's very hard to fit the whole thing in the frame because it's quite large. But yeah, that was the other thing. Because Bella said to me, oh, what do you want me to get? Do you want like one of everything, or do you just want certain things? I'm like, just get me one of everything. And the Furby plush was one of these things. So she took time in choosing the plush that was made the nicest with the nicest face, because if you enjoy plushies and collect them and stuff, you always choose the one with the nicest face. I don't know if any of you guys do that, but I do, and my friends do as well. So that's it. That's the Furby things, the Primark Furby collection. That's one of the tags I took off. It does actually show you what's inside it. The 3 erasers, pencils, stickers, pencil sharpener and notepad. I took that off so I could undo the zip. And they're not too expensive. I mean, £7, you know, it's all right. £2 for this little, for the small kind of organizer book thing. I'd say probably, I mean, I don't know how much pocket money kids get these days, but it's probably more or less pocket money prices. I know for a fact when I was a kid I would have wanted to collect all of these, and it's just sad that they didn't have them in my local Primark. And it's not that it's small, it's actually quite large, but there are bigger ones. Like the one in Manchester is 3 stories, and they have a restaurant in there, well, a cafe, and it's themed around the one from Friends, and it's absolutely fantastic. I love it, and I hope that they always have their Central Perk cafe because it's just great. So there you go. That's the Primark Furby collection. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed the journey through and being surprised at the little various things in these as much as I have. So if you want to see more Furby stuff, you can click the boxes that come up below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, you can feel free to send me a tip over on Ko-fi. Link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.